how to make veg macaroni. I know, like me, many kids don't like eating veggies. So my mother prepares this at home to make me and my brother eat veggies. So you can also try this at your home. Now let's see how to make this. For this I have taken about 2 cups of macaroni. First we are going to cook this. Boil water and add little oil. Next, add in the macaroni. Now the macaroni is cooked. Remove it from the stove, strain it and keep it aside. Next, in a pan, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil and add 1 chopped large onion. Fry till it's transparent. Next, we are going to add 3 chopped tomatoes. Saute it. Add required amount of red chili powder. And allow the tomatoes to cook. After the tomatoes are cooked, add half cup chopped carrots, half cup chopped beans, quarter cup of green peas. Add required amount of salt. Pour enough water and allow the veggies to cook. Now the veggies are cooked. Next, we are going to add sliced capsicum. Allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or oregano. This is optional. Give it a stir and add in the cooked macaroni. Mix it all together and switch off the stove. Now our macaroni is ready. Come on, let's taste it. It's very tasty. Please do try this recipe at your home. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Fudchannel. Thank you. Bye.